So hello everybody, we are talking today about the AER Day Sling 3 X-PAC version. We will see if it can fit a Kindle, a Nexus 7 2013 and some bottles. So let's get down to it quickly. I open it, okay. Here we have a Kindle Paperwhite 2017 I think. You can fit it here, no problem. You can fit it in the middle, and you can, I think, fit it in the maybe not. Yes, you can. You can barely fit it inside the zip compartment. Yeah. Okay. Next, we're gonna do the Nexus 7 2013. So which is here. It fits perfectly also. And now we are done with the tablets. We are gonna do the water bottles. So I have different types of water bottles. We have here some juice, which is 0.75 liters. It fits perfectly well. So you can see this is 750 milliliters. A 1 liter bottle may fit like this somewhat. It depends on the shape and type of plastic water bottle. Here we have a glass, again 0.75 liter bottle. It fits perfectly well. We have here an insulated 500 milliliters bottle. It fits nicely, no problem. And then it will be something like this. We have here a water bottle of 50 centiliters. I change always the type of measurement, but you can see. Here we have I think it's 0.3 liter Stanley flask, which I use for water. And with this, which is quite small compared to another bottle, you can, it's already quite flat, so you can fit it here, and you have still a lot of space for the rest of your gear. That's it for me. Oops. AER Day Sling 3 with Kindle, Nexus 7 and water bottles.